The topic of today's video is how to find e-commerce clients on LinkedIn. Alright, so this is not going to be an overly complicated thing, and I'll probably state some things that are kind of obvious, but we'll do it anyways. So here we are on LinkedIn, and the main ultimate thing that you want to do is just set up your profile. Set up your profile, because filling out all this information, adding your experience, adding certificates, going to the add profile section and adding everything here, it's just going to make it so much easier for LinkedIn to basically provide you with things in your target group and in your niche, right? Next up, we want to go to jobs. And here we can just search for people with the skill. So we can just type in e-commerce and you can go manager or specialist or whatever. But the great thing about this is you have filters. Filters are your friend here. So just by using these either date posted or experience level, company, you can really narrow down what you're looking for in e-commerce, of course. And it's going to show you how many fit the search parameters. You can go to all filters and it just gets more intense, where you just have more filtering options. And that's it, guys. That's how you find not just e-commerce clients, but any type of client that you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.